The 2011 Hennessey Venom GT. Hennessey Performance have revealed the official details on the Venom GT supercar. Based on a Lotus Elise, their kit will be limited to only 5 units, 4 of which have already been spoken for. The Venom GT is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter LS9 V8 engine, same used in the Corvette ZR1, that delivers a total of 725 bhp. And if this is not enough, the tuner will also be offering 1000 bhp and 1200 bhp twin-turbo V8 engine variants. With a curb weight of 2,685 pounds, the 1200 HP Venom GT will hit a top speed of 275 miles per hour. The supercar features lightweight carbon fiber bodywork and carbon fiber wheels, a programmable traction control system (CFD), computational fluid dynamic tested bodywork, an active aero system with adjustable rear wing, and an adjustable suspension system. Prices start at $725,000 for the 725 HP variant, and go up to $950,000 for the 1200 HP Big Daddy model. 1200 horsepower combined with in a mid-engine chassis that weighs 1200 kilos (2,685 pounds). No other road car and only a handful of race cars can match the power-to-weight ratio of the Venom GT, added HPE president and founder, John Hennessey. It is a driver's car, a supercar with a soul that will give you as much speed and performance as you dare ask of it. Update: the 6th of July 2012, the Hennessey Venom GT headed back to where it all started, the Goodwood Festival of Speed, to show the crowds just how awesome it is. The proof was in the pudding when the Venom GT shot out flames during its run. Check it out by clicking in the video above. More details on the Hennessey Venom GT after the jump. Exterior and interior. The Venom GT started its life as a Lotus Elise and focused as much as possible on weight reduction. For that, Hennessey added lightweight carbon fiber bodywork and 20 inches carbon fiber wheels wrapped in massive Michelin PS2 tires. The car gets Brembo brakes with 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston calipers in rear, clamping down on 15-inch carbon ceramic rotors. Hennessey is also offering an active aero system with an adjustable rear wing that will deploy under varying conditions on both the road and racetrack. Customers will also be able to adjust the ride height according to speed and driving conditions thanks to an adjustable suspension system. Engine. For the Venom GT, Hennessey uses a Corvette ZR1 sourced 376 SID aluminum V8 engine that delivers an impressive 725 HP. The engine sends its power to the rear wheels via a Ricardo 6-speed gearbox, and handling is facilitated by a KW Variant 3 adjustable coilover suspension. The tuner is also offering 1000 HP and 1200 HP twin-turbo V8 engine variants that utilize twin precision ball bearing turbochargers. In the more powerful version, the Venom GT pushes out 1200 HP at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 1,155 pound-feet of torque at 4,200 revolutions per minute. That translates into a specific output of 166 HP/L and a HP weight of 767.23 per ton, 2.61 pounds, HP. Getting to the numbers that are a little easier to swallow, the 1200 HP Venom GT will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and to 200 miles per hour in 15.9 seconds. The tuner has also reported a top speed of 275 miles per hour. Prices. Hennessey will only produce 5 units of the Venom GT, and 4 of them were reserved even before the car was launched. The 750 HP Venom GT price starts at $725,000, while the 1200 HP version goes up to $950,000 plus shipping. At this price, customers will also be getting a 2 years, 24,000-mile warranty. Each model will take 6 months to build, and Hennessey will only be building 5 cars a year. The cars are assembled in Hennessey's facilities in Sealy, Texas, Lake Forest, California and Silverstone, England. There are also a few options that can be thrown into your Venom GT for a price. Check them out in the table provided. Competition. With that amount of power and a 267 mph top speed, the Venom GT will tackle the latest Bugatti Veyron Super Sport head-on. We know there is a huge difference between the two models, but power and MPH are the only two taken under consideration here. The Bugatti model is powered by a W16 engine that delivers a total of 1200 HP and has already established an impressive world record, 267 mph. All Hennessey has to do now is challenge that record. It already beats the Veyron in the 0 to 200 mph sprint with a time of 15.9 seconds, compared to the Veyron's 24.2 seconds, so maybe it will be an attainable goal. Love it, powerful engine, impressive exterior look, great performance numbers. Leave it comes in limited edition 2011 Hennessey Venom GT specifications. Engine Chevrolet LS V8. Block aluminum. Size 376 SID, 6.2 liter. Position mid-longitudinal. Compression 8.81. Redline 7,200 revolutions per minute. Forced induction twin ball bearing turbochargers. Oiling system dry sump. Valvetrain OHV, 2 valves per cylinder. Fuel system sequential multi-port electronic fuel injection. Power. Horsepower 1030 bhp at 6500 revolutions per minute, 933 rear wheel HP. Torque 972 pound-feet at 4200 revolutions per minute, 874 rear wheel lb-ft. Specific output 166 bhp liter. bhp, weight 767.23 horsepower per ton, 2.61 pounds per horsepower. Boost 16 psi, 1.1 bars. Fuel 93 octane. Transmission type Ricardo 6-speed manual. Gear ratios 2.61, 1, 1.71, 1, 1.23, 1, 0.94, 1, 0.77, 1, 0.63, 1. Final drive 3.36, 1. Performance 0 to 100 km per hour 2.9 seconds. 0 to 200 km per hour 7.0 seconds. 0 to 300 km per hour 14.9 seconds. Aerodynamics. Drag coefficient 0.36, rear wing down, 0.43, wing raised. Downforce 1,492 pounds at 150 miles per hour. Brakes. Calipers Brembo 6-piston, all 4 corners. Rotors 15.0 by 1.34 in carbon ceramic, all 4 corners. Suspension. Type KW variant 3 adjustable coilover, all 4 corners, ride height adjustable by 2.4 inches, 60 mm, dimensions length 15.27 feet, 4,655 mm, width 6.43 feet, 1,960 mm, wheelbase 110.24 in, 2,800 mm, track, front 63.46 in, 1,612 mm, track, rear 63.15 in, 1,604 mm, weight and measurements. Curb weight 2,685 pounds, 1,220 kg, dry weight 2,524 pounds, 1,147 kg, FR balance 37/63, empty 44/56 with driver and passenger, fuel capacity 18.5 gallons, 70 liter.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.